Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today is day 638 and it's Wednesday. So we're going to be continuing on with this week's unit. Yeah, I can see that they're trying to update things with this French streak, but actually I do have 5 active French streaks. So I don't know why it says 0, but we're going to ignore that and get on with today's lessons. Section 4, Unit 22, talk about cooking. We're planning to do 2 lessons. If they're extremely quick like they were on Monday, I might squeeze in another one, but my plan is for 2 lessons. So let's begin.
娘の好物は天ぷらです。の好物は天ぷらです。
My daughter's favourite food is tempura. Do you eat mushrooms? Was that kinoko?
キノコは食べますか？
料理が残ったら明日食べましょう。料理が残ったら明日食べましょう。残ったら
Tara.
明日料理が残ったら明日食べましょう。食べましょう。
I actually saw this one last night. So it's if there's I think this is the if. If there's leftover food, we'll eat it tomorrow. We should eat it tomorrow. Let's eat it tomorrow. It's both let's and should. So if there is leftover food, let's eat it tomorrow. So that's the leftover. Noko. And the tara is if. Nagasu.
流す。牛乳を流しに注いだ。お。流し。牛乳を流しに注いだ。に。注いだ。
Obviously milk, but I can't remember what these 2 were. They were introduced on Monday. Let's have a look. Poured the milk into the sink. So this is in, so that's the sink. And that's poured. Naomi ordered tempura.
ナオミさんは天ぷらを注文した。
And I think that's it. That's definitely order. Shita makes it past tense. Do we need the sound? I think so. Yeah.
ケーキが一つ残っている。が、
Hikots.
ケーキが一つ残っている。残っている。
Huh. That was left over. So there's 1 piece left. 1 piece of cake left. Yes.
このマグロはまだ生だ。
This tuna is still raw.
ケーキの残りを食べませんか？お。残り？ケーキの残りを食べませんか？残りを食べませんか？
Asenka, are you going to eat the leftover cake? Won't you eat the rest of the cake? Right? Nama.
生？
雷。
Open.
オーブン。
Kinoko. Weird how they'll write it in both. See, if it's in katakana, doesn't it mean it's from another language?
キノコ？
So what language uses kinoko as the mushroom name?
油？
Looking at the kanji, it's almost like countryside. I poured the milk into the sink. Anything that says I? No?
牛乳を流しに注いだ。
このキノコは食べられますか？
This mushroom edible? Is this mushroom edible?
食べられますか？
Can it be eaten? Okay, that's the igai.
以外。お父さん。戻る。流す。引っ越す。
まだ生です。
Says say, but then it also says nama at the top, so it's still raw. Put it in the sink.
流しに入れて。
I wouldn't have chosen te, but I think that works. Yep. This tuna,
この
maguro,
マグロ
maguro,
はまだ生
da,
だ。
good. I will pour the old beer into the sink.
流しに古いビールを注ぐ。
Into the sink, old beer, pour. I think so. Another correct solution, old beer or sink ni pour. Okay. Number
焼
two.
く。
Yaku.
焼く。
野菜を油で炒めた。野菜を油野菜を油で炒めた。炒めた。
That was oil. Vegetables. It's fire. I fried the vegetables in oil. Nice.
炒めます。炒めます。
彼女はご飯をバターで炒めました。は、ご飯を、彼女はご飯をバターで炒めました。バターで、炒めました。
Butter. Rice. So she fried the rice in butter. Please fry the pork.
豚肉を炒めてください。
Nice.
彼はオーブンでパンを焼いた。彼はオーブンで。
He, in the oven,
彼はオーブンでパンを焼いた。パンを焼いた。
baked the bread in the oven. Yeah.
私はキュウリが嫌いだ。
I just noticed at the last moment that baked also had a flame as part of its kanji. It's useful. So, I, cucumber, kirai, is that hate? I do not like cucumbers. Yeah. Itameru. It's not mass. So we've got flame, small.
炒める。
And I think that was the other one. Starts flame as well. With something else. Typhoon.
台風、
雲、
噴火、裁判官、
食べる、
This banana is still green.
このバナナはまだ緑色。
Yeah, I thought so. Yep. What's that? Ryoku? Joku? It's not what it is, it's Midoriyo. So, in what circumstances would it be the other word that they're giving us there? I don't know. Des. I got distracted by green. This banana wa still. Yeah, it's all right. I just got distracted and didn't put the des on. Cloud.
雲、
Season.
季節、バナナ、
Climate and sand.
Suna.
That's sand.
気候、
He baked bread in the oven.
彼は、オーブンで、パンを焼いた。
Yeah, there it is.
油、
Climate. Oopsie.
食べる、
Eat.
生、
I actually said nama for once. It's been saying something like say.
裁判官、
父はよく家族にケーキを焼いてくれる。
Okay, my father often family bakes a cake for the family. Yeah. Nice. This one.
焼いた。炒めます。焼いて。以外。流す。
私の猫はキュウリが怖い。
My cat is scared of cucumbers. What oil is the best for tempera? Nanny, no. Um,
何の油は
wa. Um,
一番
that's fried.
天ぷらに
And then how do I finish it? Maybe I do need fried.
炒めですか
I'm seeing good. Maybe it goes with Ichiban. Let's just see, because I'm not sure on this one. Tempura niwa. Nani no abura ga Ichiban ii desu ka? Okay, good. So, favorite good, best good. Alright. Tempura niwa. Nani no what no oil ga favorite good desu ka? Best.
このバナナはまだ 緑です。
What oil is the best for tempura? How did it begin? Tempura.
天ぷら
Niwa.
は
Wa.
何の油が一番いいですか
There we go. That'll do it for today. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, come back again on Friday as we finish up this week's unit, or come back tomorrow, Thursday, for some listening practice. Hope to see you again soon. Arigato gozaimasu. Mata ne.